Element of symmetry. What is symmetry? Butterfly is symmetry or banana is asymmetric. What is important? First is plane of symmetry, it is optical inactive, and second is non-element of symmetry, it is optically active. Element of symmetry. Plane of symmetry, mirror plane, central of symmetry, inversion center. Alternating axis symmetry, improper rotation axis. Plane of symmetry, mirror plane. A plane of symmetry is imaginary plane that passes through a molecule such that atoms or group of atom one side of plane from mirror image of those one the other side. It is particularly used cool the molecule contain two or more chiral center. Example: plane of symmetry, mirror plane. Tertiary acid. Mirror image. Plane of symmetry. Central of symmetry, inversion center. Center of symmetry is defined as point is a molecule from which line raindrop on opposite side at equal distance meet exactly similar point groups or atom in the molecule. Example 1. Center of symmetry 2, 4-dimethyl cyclobutane 1,3-dicarboxylic acid. Example 2. Center of symmetry. CIS form. Transform. Dimethyl diketopiperazine. Alternating axis of symmetry, improper rotation axis. Molecule is said to possess an fold alternating excess of symmetry if on rotating through an angle of 360 degrees about this axis and followed by a reflection of the resulting molecular in plane perpendicular to the axis, then the mirror image is exactly identical to the original molecule. If A is equal to C, then the molecule. Example: 4-fold axis of symmetry. 1 to 3, 4-tetramethyl cyclobutane. Thank you, my dear students.